One of the fastest growing areas of West Virginia is now one of the worst places for the coronavirus outbreak in the Mountain State.
While West Virginia cases are still relatively low, the new development is troubling since it's close to one of the nation's most populated regions. 13 News Chief Political Reporter Mark Curtis has more.
Bill and Kathy, the number of coronavirus cases in West Virginia has jumped, and one region is now considered a hot spot, according to Governor Jim Justice. The eastern Panhandle has seen a sharp increase in cases, with more than 50 people now testing positive. 90% of those cases are in Berkeley and Jefferson counties, which see a lot of traffic from the Washington, D.C. area.
The people there, we don't want people there to be afraid. We just want them to double down on being really smart in what they do.
The reason for the spike is not known, but it's not confined to a single location, such as a nursing home, courthouse, or city.
It is more community transmission as we're starting to learn more and hear about things. But again, we are continuing to learn as this evolves.
Meanwhile, as the streets of Charleston and other cities are very empty, the governor announced 90,000 West Virginians filed for unemployment in March, compared to just 3,400 in March of last year. The governor says the system for processing those claims is severely backlogged, and the state is hiring additional workers.
For those that we're being slow on getting to, everyone should understand that all your benefits will be paid.
Meanwhile, the National Guard says it delivered additional medical supplies to all 55 counties in the past day, including more to the eastern Panhandle. It also helped schools deliver more than 1 million meals for children since the crisis began. West Virginia health officials tell us they're well prepared should there be another surge in cases. They have an additional 69 ventilators on hand and nearly 800 more acute care hospital beds. In Charleston, I'm Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
Now, the governor and his team repeated that the best way to fight the disease is by keeping up with good hygiene, keeping at least 6 feet away from other people. And President Trump did approve Governor Jim Justice's request for a disaster declaration for the state due to the pandemic. The approval allows for new funding through the Federal Emergency Management Agency to help with response efforts.